Hello everyone. A cycle is inscribed in a right-angled triangle and we're asked to find the area of that cycle given that the two sides of the right-angled triangle are 4 and 3. The hypotenuse is already missing. How can we find the area of this cycle? I want you to remember that any line that touches the cycle at exactly one point is a tangent. Therefore, all these three sides of the right-angled triangle are tangent to the cycle because they are all touching the cycle at exactly one point. Another thing you should remember is two tangents are equidistant from the point where they meet to the point of tangency, which means that if you pay attention to these two tangents, from this point where the two tangents meet to the point of tangency is what? Equidistance. This is equal to that. Similarly, from this point to the point of tangency is equal to the distance from this point to the point of tangency. If that is the case, we are going to split these values because the total length of this side is 4, but we can split it into r and 4 minus r. Why? Because remember, from the center of the cycle to any part of the circumference is a radius. So from this point to this point is a radius, which means that from this point to this point is r, right? So let me make it like this. This is r, that is from the point of tangency to this point here. And the remaining part, since the total is 4, we can say that the remaining part is going to be 4 minus r. Yes. If you add 4 minus r and r, you're going to get 4 exactly. The same thing here. This is r, and the remaining part will be what? 3 minus r. Yes. So because we have learned that from the point of tangency to the point where the two tangents meet is equidistant, similarly, you can say that from this point of tangency to this point where the two tangents meet will also be what? 3 minus r. 3 minus r. Similarly, if you come here, from the point of tangency to this point is 4 minus r. Similarly, this is going to be what? 4 minus r. Yes. But the question is, what is now the hypotenuse, the length of the hypotenuse? The length of the hypotenuse, h, is going to be 4 minus r plus 3 minus r. Yes, this is the total length. And if you combine, this is going to be 7 minus 2r. 7 minus 2r is the hypotenuse of this right triangle. But again, we can apply Pythagoras' theorem to find the hypotenuse, given that these two sides are 4 and 3. So the hypotenuse is equal to the square root of what? 4 squared plus 3 squared, according to Pythagoras. 4 squared is 16, 3 squared is 9, 16 and 9, 25, square root of 25 is 5. It means that the hypotenuse is 5. If the hypotenuse is 7 minus 2r and the hypotenuse is 5, it implies that 7 minus 2r is equal to 5. You can take this 7 to the other side. You have minus 2r equal to 5 minus 7. Minus 2r is equal to minus 2. And if you divide both sides by negative 2, it implies that r is equal to 1. Remember, to find the area of a cycle, you only need the radius, and hence the radius is 1. And finally, the area of the cycle is equal to what? Pi r squared, which means that area is equal to pi, r is 1, squared will not change it. 1 times pi is pi. Oh my God, very interesting. Since we don't have unit, you can write unit squared. It means that the radius, the area of this cycle is pi, exactly pi unit squared.